Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. And today is another day and another tutorial for you guys. As you can see here, I have three different hooks and three different size of yarn. I'm going to show you the basic how to chain today with different sizes of yarn and different hooks as well. Okay, so let's start with the big one. And with the big one, this one is a chunky yarn. And I have here a J hook, which is 8mm hook. Okay, so that is for the chunky one. And this brown here is an 8-ply acrylic yarn. And I have here 5.5mm hook, which is an eye hook. That is for the brown one. And with this green one here is a cotton yarn. It is 4-ply, and I will be using my 3.5, or you can use a little bit smaller. For this tutorial, I will be using this will be fine as well to use. Okay, or sometimes a perfect if you're making like a bikini, if I make a bikini, I use a 2.5, but this one is if you use a little bit bigger size, and it will just be the size of your project is a little bit bigger. I am going to start with the big one so it is easier to see, and I'll just put this aside for now. And with our basic stitch is I'm covering how to do a slip knot and a chain. Okay, so for this tutorial is how to do the slip knot and a chain, and I will compare different size of yarn and different sizes of hooks as well that you will use. To start with is we are going to make our slip knot for every project that you're making. Is you're going to start with a slip knot. Now I'm holding my tail with my left hand and my hook with my right. Okay, so make a circle like that, and then now you have to insert your hook from the inside or the top, inside, bottom, and you have to grab your working yarn and pull through to the loop. Okay, so this is one. What I usually use to make my slip knot is I just wrap like this. I hold, this is my working yarn and this is my tail, so I'll just wrap around my finger and pull it, and then insert my hook and pull the working yarn like this and tighten it up. Okay, so there's a lot of ways that you can do your slip knot. And from here is just make sure that it's not too tight. Okay, that it is freely moving, your hook can freely move. And to chain is you're going to bring your hook to the left side and go under your yarn like this and up to the other side and twist, and then wrap your hook and yarn like this. And when you're twisting, you pulling this hook down, facing down, so it's not going to come off, and you pull through, and you just made your first chain. Okay, we'll do that again. bring your hook to the left side, go under and wrap your yarn around your hook and grab that and pull through, just like that. And now you created your second. And we will be doing this, and you are going to practice this a few times. Wrap around the yarn into your hook and twist it down and pull through. Wrap and pull through. Wrap and pull through. Wrap and pull through. So now this is your chain looks like. Okay, so as you can see here, the tension is not too tight. If you're going to put your tension tight, and then you will struggle. Okay, so for myself, okay, if you're doing this, you will be struggling to pull it like that. Okay, so that is tight. All you want to do is put a little bit of space, or what I do is while I'm doing my chain, wrapping my finger, wrapping my yarn into my hook, and then here I pull it while I'm pulling through and giving that space. So go. You can see here there's no space in there, but when I'm pulling it up like that and making a space. And as you can see, okay, so this is how you chain, and this is how it looks like using the chunky yarn. And now we are going to put that aside. Okay, and I'm going to leave that here as well so you can see the difference. And now I'm going to bring my 5.5 millimeter hook and my 8-ply acrylic yarn. So it's the same thing. We are going to start with our slip knot. Make your circle, insert your hook, and pull your yarn, your working yarn, and then make your knot. So that is your slip knot. And the same way, the same process that we do with our first one using the chunky yarn, we will be doing the same thing. Okay, the chain is whatever you're using, small yarn or big yarn, and small hook or big hook. Okay, the process is the same. Okay, so you go to the left side, go under your yarn and wrap around your hook and pull through. Go under, wrap around 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 and pull through. Okay, so this is now, this is kind of like dark, but as you can see, this is your 5.5 millimeter hook with your 8-ply acrylic yarn. So the longer that you make your stitch or chain, okay, you need to move your finger to hold it closer. Okay, and wrap around and pull through, wrap around and pull through, wrap around and pull through. If you have that, and then you have to move your finger closer so you will have your tension better. Okay, so this is our 5.5 millimeter hook. I'm going closer, and this is how it looks like, and 8 ply. So compared to the other one, it's a bigger hook and a bigger yarn, so that is the difference. Okay, and then I'm going to put my hook there, and that is the difference, but they are all the same. Okay, it's all chain. Now we're going to move to the small one. So with the small one, you will use a smaller hook as well, and it will be the same. We're going to start with our slip knot, insert and pull through, and then you have your slip knot ready. And now we're going to do the same thing. Wrap around your hook and pull through, wrap your yarn and pull through, wrap your yarn and pull through, yep, your yarn and pull through, yep, your wrap your yarn and pull through. Hopefully this I am not too fast for you. Okay, so this is how it looks like with a smaller yarn and a smaller hook. Okay, but the look is the same. Okay, you're making a chain and they look the same. Okay, so if I'm going to place that over there, as you can see, you could put that there and you will see the difference. Okay, so we'll take that to the middle and we put its so can you see the difference? Okay, they're all the same chain, it's just the size is different. Hopefully guys you like this video and you find it useful. If you do, please give this a thumbs up, and if you like as well, please give this a like, and if you want, you can subscribe to my channel as well for more tutorial. Okay, so thank you very much guys, as I showed you different hooks and different sizes of hooks and different sizes of yarns. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video, and happy crocheting everyone, and keep practicing. Thank you. Bye.